Are you looking for the perfect wine country getaway? Welcome to Wander Sonoma Vineyards, where upscale comfort meets beautiful, breathtaking scenery. I'm Frankie, and I'm gonna take you on a tour of this amazing modern home with 4 bedrooms, comfortably sleeping 8, 3.5 bathrooms, hotel level amenities like a pool and hot tub, and so much more. Although the house has complete privacy tucked away in the hillside here, it's actually very close to a lot of Sonoma's main attractions and only 1 hour away from the Golden Gate Bridge, making it perfect for families or small groups looking to have a relaxing escape. Come on now, let's go take a look inside. Now the house opens right on in to our living room that is so spacious with dramatic 12-foot ceilings and floor-to-ceiling windows, bringing in the most amazing natural light up against our sleek white walls and pops of color you're gonna see all throughout the space here. And I particularly love the books in the bookshelf here. It just adds such a nice touch. And then built into that shelf, you're gonna find the amazing gas fireplace, so you can stay nice and cozy during the winter months if you're here, or any of those chilly Sonoma nights. And then to control this fireplace, you're gonna find a switch and a turn knob on the side if you needed extra help with that. Now that is built right up next to our accented forest design wall that brings the mountainscape inside with you. Where is the television in this very living room here? Well, we actually have a projector that comes right down from the ceiling above me here, so you can have the most unique movie night while you're nice and comfortable, cozy on our 2 couches or the 2 lounging chairs in this space. Now from our living room, we can step right on into our state-of-the-art kitchen that is simply stunning. You have Viking stainless steel appliances, wooden cabinetry, and very sleek white marble countertops. And then on the back side of the kitchen here, you're gonna find a little nook area where you have your own separate coffee bar, cocktail bar, and seriously, every single appliance you're gonna need during your stay. Every Wander kitchen is supplied with everything you need to cook yourself a wonderful meal. But if you need a break from cooking, you can have our Wander concierge recommend the best private local chefs in the area to come here and cook a meal for you and your friends or family. And now whenever you're ready to enjoy that meal, you can sit right along our kitchen island here with seating for 3, or head right on over to our dining room table that seats 12, accented by a gorgeous chandelier, and actually opens right on out to our outdoor patio that we'll get to very, very soon. We have an outdoor dining table that seats 6, so you can dine al fresco. And then come on this way, check this out. Right next to our main dining room, you have a bonus screen enclosed indoor-outdoor dining room with your own very massive barbecue grill. So no matter the weather here, you can have a fabulous home-cooked barbecue meal. And I actually think this is so great because it's gonna keep out all of those insects from getting to your food. From our main dining room space, you can step right on out to an outdoor patio, which is just the ultimate luxurious lounging space out here. You have an extra large gas fire pit with a pizza oven right next to that and an outdoor barbecue grill with plenty of seating. Now, of course, this is amazing any time of the day, but I think this is the most perfect spot to stargaze at night, staying nice and warm next to the fire with a glass of wine in hand. Now, before we head down the stairs here, I mean, just take a peek at this spectacular view here. When I first got here, I just froze in place staring out because I was in awe of the beautiful vineyards and mountains. It's just absolutely amazing. Now, come on, let's go down. It is finally time for our amazing pool backyard area. You have a massive crystal clear pool and hot tub, so you could just take a dip and cool off and have some fun in the sun. And we have some lounging chairs out here for you as well to sunbathe and enjoy a refreshing snack. And right next to the pool, you're gonna find the outdoor dining table that I spoke of earlier. And I mean, the view here just really speaks for itself, as well as a bonus grassy area to enjoy or have a nice morning yoga session. Enjoying either one of these patios is of course great at any time, but I recommend having a glass of wine in hand after exploring the many vineyards here during the sunset hours. You can watch the sun just disappear right behind the mountains here, and it's absolutely unlike any experience. As you are enjoying this wine country home, you will notice the interior design here is carefully curated to reflect the location that the house is in. Since Sonoma is known for its stunning natural beauty and modern designs, all of the decor and materials used in constructing this very home here reflect that, giving you a fully immersed vacation experience. Opposite our main space, all the way down the hallway here, you will find our primary bedroom. Now this room is simply so cozy and serene. You have a king-size bed that lays upon a beautiful accented blue wall that pops gorgeously with the blue skies you're gonna see outside of your floor-to-ceiling windows in here. You have a flat screen TV with a Sonos speaker, a huge walk-in closet, and your very own ensuite bathroom. But the highlight of this room here is of course your own private balcony access that looks right over the mountains and our gorgeous crystal clear pool. I mean, just imagine waking up here every single morning with a cup of coffee in hand as you listen to the sounds of nature and lay your eyes upon the beautiful landscape. I mean, this is just absolutely perfect. And on this private balcony, you have your own personal outdoor shower. So you can truly get connected with nature. And this shower leads right on in to our indoor bathroom here. Let's go take a look. This primary bathroom here is oh so bright, with a massive double sink vanity with wooden cabinetry. And of course, you have a very luxurious built-in bathtub with a huge window overlooking the valley. So you can just soak with a glass of wine and enjoy these amazing views. And my favorite thing about this bathtub is that you have a little window here, so you can just get a pop of fresh air if you want. And then next to that, you have your dual indoor-outdoor rainfall shower. Every Wander bathroom is supplied with very high-end amenities like shampoos, body washes, conditioners. You have combs and vanity kits here, and all of these items are hand-picked to ensure the highest level of quality that will exceed your expectations. And you're also going to be able to wrap yourself up in the comfort of plush towels, robes, and slippers that we provide. And during every single one of my trips, the highlight is of course putting on these very Wander robes. It is just simply the best. And every Wander bedroom, we strive to give you the best night's sleep of your life, even better than you get at your very own home. So we make sure every single one of our mattresses are so comfortable and use the latest in sleep technology so you can adjust it from soft to firm depending on your taste. And next to every single one of these beds, you're gonna find my favorite amenity of all time. We have wireless phone chargers here so you don't have to stress if you forgot to pack your own. Next to the primary bedroom, you're gonna find a laundry room here with a washer and dryer, as well as anything you're gonna need to go along with that. Now there's 3 additional bedrooms in this house, 2 on the main level, one with 2 twin-size beds, perfect if you're here with kids or a larger group, and then one here with a queen-size bed and a workstation. One of the main benefits of staying at a Wander versus other vacation homes is the ultra-modern workstations found at every single property. And here at Wander Sonoma Vineyards, we have one for your use. Every Wander home has high-speed internet and ubiquity hardware across the entire property. Each workstation features a Herman Miller Aeron chair, which by far has the best back support of any chair I've ever sat in, as well as the best Logitech Brio 4K camera so that you will look crystal clear in all of your Zoom calls and you won't even need a virtual background. You have a 38-inch extra wide LG curved monitor, so you have plenty of space to do all of your work. And my favorite thing about these workstations is that all you have to do is plug one single wire into your laptop and then everything is connected for you. It makes the process so seamless and hassle-free. And our 4th bedroom downstairs with a queen-size bed, with all of them having amazing windows so you don't miss out on any of the nature surrounding the house. And downstairs here, you're gonna find the theater and recreation room, which is my favorite room of the house easily. You have a plush couch paired with a projector on the wall here so you can enjoy all of your favorite movies and television shows. And opposite that, you're gonna find a ping pong table, which is just so fun for entertaining, especially when you're here with a group. And then plenty of board games in the cabinet right next to that. I mean, you will never run out of things to do in this house. And this very room down here opens right on out to our beautiful pool deck. You can elevate your family vacation with Wander. We provide you with essential children's items like high chairs, cribs, and kitchen utensils, so you don't have to worry about packing those in your luggage on your getaway. Are you feeling overwhelmed with what to do during your stay? Well, we can help you out. We have a travel guide you can watch right after this with a ton of recommendations on what to do, see, and eat within the area. But if you're looking for more specific help, you can contact our Wander concierge team at the numbers shown on the screen here anytime with questions. Here at Wander, we believe that life's special moments such as weddings and family gatherings are meant to be celebrated together. Our properties offer the perfect backdrop for these very occasions. Whether you're planning a dream wedding, a bachelorette party, an epic family reunion, or any other special celebration, Wander allows you to create unforgettable memories. Head on over to wander.com/events to learn more on how to make your celebrations extraordinary. Thanks for joining me here at Wander Sonoma Vineyards. With our house tour complete, let's go explore all the adventures that await us here in Sonoma. You can check out our travel guide next to learn all about it. We can't wait to welcome you here in wine country. See you soon.